What's up, guys? Hi, I'm DeMonte Wilson.
Hi, and I'm Camry Wilson.
And today we're going to be trying...
Shut! Did I say... No! Oh, shit! Say it again. Say something else. Oh!
Yeah. Hello, it's your girl Cam. And you're back here watching Cash and Cam. We've been gone for a long time. Why you always say that in the middle?
Because I can cut it out.
Like,
I can cut. I do the cutting. Here. I do the cutting anyway.
Matter of fact, watch out.
Alright.
So today we'll be trying different types of soda. Not just any type of soda.
Crazy soda.
Crazy sodas. Like this one. I don't know what the fuck this is.
The original soda. This here is a Jones cane sugar soda, but the flavor is extreme sour black cherry soda.
Made by
It's
Warhead.
Warhead flavor.
Yeah.
And this is butterscotch beer. It's non-alcoholic. It's non-alcoholic. And this right here is bacon soda.
Supposed to taste like bacon.
And yeah.
Yeah.
This is buffalo.
I'm excited to try this one.
Buffalo wing soda.
Buffalo wing. You guys can see the wing on there.
We're gonna be drinking that.
You can see the wing on there.
I can't wait to drink this one. They say this one's gonna be good.
I don't
Peanut
know.
butter jelly. Peanut butter.
That one might be good because I like peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but I don't know. Go ahead and try to see. This one is called Zombie Brain Juice.
I think that one gonna be
This
good.
one might be good though.
I can't wait to try that one.
And this is that unicorn yak.
That yak.
It's that.
That. Bro, you be coming over with the stupidest. Oh my god.
So we're gonna get it started. I'm gonna start from my side.
Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share our videos to the people that you know, please.
Please.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Gang, gang. Which one we going with first? The original?
The original.
The original. Okay.
Ooh.
Did you just pop that bitch?
Yeah. It smells like Sprite
What
on
it
some
smell?
stuff.
Let me see what it says.
That don't smell like Sprite.
Original soda. It smell like ginger ale.
That's probably what the fuck it is.
That was a big gulp.
It tastes just like Sprite
It do?
mixed with ginger ale, kind of.
Burger.
And you got like a lemony rasp, if I do say.
Boy, if you
Tastes like lemon, like a Sprite.
It tastes like...
It don't taste nasty.
No, it tastes like medicine.
No, it don't.
Oh, yes it do. It tastes like some nasty medicine I had as a child. I need some water. Okay, next drink.
Next drink, this one tastes like a Sprite, you guys. This is
Next
called
up.
Balls.
Balls.
Balls to the wall. That's what it's called.
Window.
That one not that bad.
What runs on my balls? All those female strong.
To the wild.
This is called Unicorn Yak.
The yak.
Intergalactic Cadillac.
Cadillac.
The prophylactic Cadillac.
Now they told us when we got this one that this one was good.
That was the best one. I can't wait to
Shit. Fuck. Trying to smell like a fountain or something.
Yeah, nigga, let me smell it.
Hold on, you can taste this one first.
Oh, it smells like...
Like what? Don't sniff the motherfucker. You gonna been drunk it through your nose.
It smells like Kool-Aid. Oh, let me tell you the flavor. It's raspberry, orange. And cream. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm moving the table.
Totally gross soda.
I like the way it smells. I could smell the orange cream.
It's nasty.
It's good. It's straight. It tastes like orange soda.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Like a cream soda.
Creamsicle.
Yeah, that's exactly what it tastes like.
Like that dreamsicle snow. I don't taste no raspberry. Well, I taste like a aftertaste of the raspberry.
Okay. All right. I can dig it. I can dig it.
That's how they do at the bars.
Now the next one we have here,
I'm so excited.
Zombie Brain.
Exactly.
I've been waiting to try this one because I think this one gonna be good. This is strawberry orange.
I think it's gonna be good because
Totally
of the color.
gross. Why?
Because of the color of it. Like red. Red drinks are always good. I think we are the first people to do this video.
Hmm?
The first people to do this video. Wait. It smells like Tiki Punch.
Must be good.
I like Tiki Punch.
Oh, this one smells the best out of all
Oh my
of them.
god, it smells. What it smell like? I mean, it tastes like.
Tastes like.
This is strawberry orange flavor.
Tastes like a popsicle
On
that you done let sit out in the open and you mixed it with a Sprite or
make
something.
me melt like a popsicle.
That's what it tastes
on
like.
4th of July.
What he sings, it makes me melt like a popsicle on the 4th of July.
That's what it tastes like. Zombie juice.
I taste mostly strawberry. I don't taste no orange. It's alright.
It's not nothing exciting that'll have you like.
It's not giving. It's not giving.
It's good though.
It tastes like strawberry cold drink.
Now this.
What's that? Oh, okay. Now we getting.
Getting to the nitty gritty.
Mm-hmm.
This is the buffalowingsoda.
Let me see.
Now this is made by Lester Fictions.
Y'all get your fixings. This is here. This is that.
So we're gonna see how this one smells.
I think that bit gonna be strong.
Right.
Oh no.
Smell like orange though.
It's orange. But it's just,
Like it smell like an orange drink with a little hot sauce in it.
yeah, it tastes. I need this. I'm scared. You not
Try
gonna-
We'll talk about it afterwards.
Why you want to go and do that? Do that? I can't smell this thing.
That shit nasty. That shit nasty. You got a bad aftertaste to it too. Tastes like you just finished pulled the wing out your fucking mouth.
Tastes like throw up. That was nasty.
That was nasty. This one is not good.
Next caller.
It's not that bad as this when you look at it, but it's still bad as hell.
No, it's nasty.
Now this is
Bacon juice.
bacon soda.
Why I think I can smell it from here? It stink. Smell like dog food. It do.
Yeah. It don't smell too good. Since I tried the buffalo wing one first. You see the little cute bubbles going to the top?
They don't smell cute. What's that?
Ugh, you took a gulp of that shit. Yep, and that would. It's nasty. Oh, that shit do taste like dog food.
Why do you spit that in my face?
Eat in your stomach.
That's my throat.
It's like they soak this shit in dog food. This don't taste like no regular.
It tastes like
This the worst one so
like
far.
They tried to mix root beer with dog food.
How you know?
Yo, shout the season, man. Shout the season, man. Yo, I'm trying to
You know, they try to remix it with dog food. Yeah, I heard it first.
Ain't nobody eating no fucking dog food. Nobody but you.
This is peanut butter and jelly soda. You can see the peanut butter and jelly sandwich on there. We're gonna try this one out. This is by Lester's Fixings.
Lester the court jester.
This one might be good because I like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Let's see what we got.
For that.
Smells just like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Smell like them old taffy candies. They used to give us some milk. That's not a good sign. This is not good. Not good. It's worse than that. Whatever that is, they need to take that off the fucking shelf at this store. That shit nasty. Cheers. Peanut butter jam.
Peanut butter and jelly. Come
Smell
on.
like parade candy.
That's what they fucking is. That one nasty too. This tastes too much like a peanut butter and jelly, and it's a liquid. Ain't no liquid supposed to taste this just like no damn peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ain't no way, boy. This is the Warhead sour. I think this one's gonna be good. This since '96, so you can see the Warhead symbol on it. Let's see what this one hitting for.
What is
Oh,
it?
it smells good.
Smell it, let me see.
Gotta open it first, man.
You don't never let me. Ooh.
You can try that one first.
I don't like sour stuff. You will soon receive compliments on your style.
Go on here. That shit too fucking sour. Too sour.
Ooh.
Too sour. Like they melted a bunch of them candies and just stuffed. We just stuffed them in a bottle, bro. Never again. That too sour. That's something my nephew used to like. Caden, I love this.
This is.
That's the one. That's my favorite. It's butterscotch.
It smelled like beer when I popped it over, but it smelled like butterscotch. That's butterscotch beer. Butter.
This one about to be good. I'm gonna let you try that one first because I'm gonna down on that one. If it tastes how it smells.
Butterscotch cream soda.
Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic. This butterscotch. It's really smell like them butterscotch candies.
I do.
Butterscotch candies.
I know that mug good.
Yep. It tastes like butterscotch.
Tastes too much like butterscotch.
Yeah, exactly. Even the aftertaste, it's really it.
It's something you gotta sip or mix with. I know what you can mix it with.
We're gonna rate all of these drinks from the best to the worst. Why you got shot cooked?
So we finna try it with butterscotch.
Shot of what? No.
Just a little.
No.
I just want you to see.
I ain't shot that.
Come on. It's not even a big shot.
You know I don't like that.
I know, but it's gonna taste different. Come on.
How you even know it's gonna be good? You just
Try it. It's not even strong with that butterscotch.
I know, but I don't like that. Jaeger is so nasty. Ugh.
We'll have something extra for you guys.
No, we're not doing that.
Yes, we are.
No, we not.
We
have
have-
to rate our
we have-
drinks.
These. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors for it if you gotta do it or not.
You really
That's
got me
only
fucked
fair.
up.
That's only fair.
Cricket lollipop.
Cricket lollipops. You can see the cricket in the lollipop.
Like a cockroach, and I don't even play like that. Yeah, we're gonna rate.
I say this
We're
one.
gonna rate it from
No.
the best to the worst.
This.
What's the best one?
This one.
That was the best one to you?
Yeah.
That's because you like Sprite.
Yeah. Let me taste that one again. The yike.
That was the best one. And then this
Yeah,
one.
this one.
So it was.
No, I already know with this one. That's gonna be the worst one. Nah, yeah.
This is the worst. How you just gonna rate without me? Okay, you will do your rate. And I'll do mine. This shit was nasty. Okay, that's how he rate his.
This is the best. Second best. Third best. Alright. Nasty is a bitch. Nasty is a motherfucker. Never try
I
it
thought
again.
you liked that butterscotch.
It just was too much.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Okay, so this is going last. Definitely this second to last. This shit was nasty. This shit was nasty. But this is better than this. This, I don't like sour stuff. This. Let me see. It's like you can't go wrong with this. But it's gonna be a 3 for me. This and this. This is the best one. The yak. Yak.
So now, guys, what we're going to be doing is,
I'm not.
and that, my people, will conclude our video.